Apple buries the WhatsApp export button 4 taps deep on iPhone, and most tutorials miss step 3. I'll show you exactly where it is and what to do with the file once you've got it. If you've ever tried to save a WhatsApp chat from your iPhone, to keep, to print, to share, to send to a family member, anything, you've probably hit the wall. Screenshotting one message at a time isn't a real archive. Copying and pasting doesn't include the photos or voice notes. The chat is stuck inside the app, and Apple doesn't make it obvious how to get it out. The good news is, WhatsApp does have an export feature on iPhone. The button has been there for years. The problem is, it's buried. It's not in the menu where you'd expect it. It's not labeled clearly. And almost every tutorial I've seen online either skips one of the steps or shows you the Android path and pretends it works the same way on iPhone. It doesn't. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact path on iPhone. Every tap, every screen, including the gotcha that trips up most people. Then I'll show you what to do with the zip file once you've got it, how to get it off your iPhone, where to save it, and how to turn it into a clean, searchable PDF so you can actually use it. One thing to flag up front. Make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. If you're on a version from years ago, the export option might be missing or in a slightly different place. Open the App Store, search WhatsApp, tap Update if there is one. Takes about 30 seconds. Then come back. Ready? Let's go. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Tap the chat you want to export. Could be a one-on-one conversation. Could be a group. Both work. Now here's where most people get lost. You don't tap 3 dots. There are no 3 dots on iPhone. That's the Android path. You don't tap a hamburger menu either. WhatsApp on iPhone doesn't have one. What you tap is the contact's name at the very top of the chat screen, right where it says who you're chatting with. Tap that name. The chat info page opens. This is the contact's profile, or for a group chat, the group's settings page. Now scroll down, and keep scrolling, past the contact's phone number, past mute notifications, past custom notifications, past wallpaper, past save to camera roll, past encryption, past disappearing messages, past chat lock, past media, links, documents. You'll see a lot of options on the way down. None of them are the one we want. Keep scrolling. Near the very bottom of the page, below block this contact, sometimes below clear chat, sometimes below report, you'll see export chat. Tap it. This is the moment WhatsApp asks the only question that actually matters. Attach media or without media. Almost everyone wants attach media. That's the option that bundles your photos, voice notes, and videos along with the text. Without media gives you just the conversation text, no images, no audio. If you only want a quick text dump for archive purposes, that's faster, but most people want the full record. Pick attach media. WhatsApp will think for a moment. If your chat is long, this can take 10, 20, 30 seconds. Sometimes a minute on really big chats with lots of media. The screen might look stuck. It isn't. Don't close the app. Don't switch to another app. Just wait. A quick troubleshooting note. If you don't see export chat anywhere on the contact info page, even after scrolling all the way down, you're probably on an old version of WhatsApp. Open the App Store, search WhatsApp, hit update if there is one, then come back and try again. If you've updated and you're still missing the option, try force closing WhatsApp and reopening it. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone to bring up the app switcher, find WhatsApp, swipe up on it to close. Then reopen. Sometimes a fresh launch is what surfaces the option. After WhatsApp finishes preparing the export, your iPhone's share sheet pops up. This is the standard iOS share sheet. You've seen it before when sharing photos or web links. You'll have options like AirDrop, Save to Files, Mail, Messages, plus any third-party apps you have installed, like Dropbox, Google Drive, or iCloud Drive. 3 good choices here, depending on what you're going to do next. Option 1, Save to Files. This puts the zip file on your iPhone in the Files app. You can pick on My iPhone or iCloud Drive as the destination. This is great if you want to open the zip directly on your iPhone, or if you don't have your laptop nearby. Option 2, AirDrop. If you've got a Mac on the same Wi-Fi network with AirDrop turned on, drop the zip straight onto your computer. This is the fastest way to get the file off your iPhone and onto a real keyboard. Option 3, mail it to yourself. Slow, but works on every device, and gives you a backup in your inbox. Pick whichever fits how you're going to work with the file. Now open chattopdf.app, link in the description. On your iPhone in Safari, navigate to it. Or if you AirDrop to a Mac, open it on your computer. Either way works. The site loads. Big drop zone right on the homepage. From Safari on iPhone, tap the drop zone. The iPhone file picker opens. Tap Browse at the bottom. Find your zip wherever you saved it. On my iPhone, iCloud Drive. Downloads. Tap it. The site picks it up. From a Mac, just drag the zip onto the page. Same result either way. The site processes the file, unzips it, parses the chat into structured messages, links the photos and voice notes back to their messages. A few seconds later, you've got a live preview of your chat. Step 3. Pick a style. The preview shows your chat in different formats, side by side. WhatsApp Classic gives you the green chat bubbles. Looks like the real app. Good if you want a familiar feel. For keepsakes, family chats, anything personal. Clean Document is a neutral white layout, paginated, easy to read at A4 size. Good for printing, sharing professionally, or anything you want to look like a proper document. Plus formatted and book layouts for specific needs. Tap through the styles. The preview updates instantly. Once you've picked a style, choose a tier. Tiers vary by chat length and which features they include, like voice note transcription on the bigger plans. Pay once. No subscription. No account to create. Payment clears. The PDF generates. The download link appears right on the page. A copy goes to your email too. From iPhone, you can save the PDF to files or share it from there to any app. Here's what you get. Your full WhatsApp chat as a proper PDF. Page 1, the header, with date range, total message count, participant names. Then page after page of conversation in chronological order. Every timestamp preserved. Photos appear in line at the message they were sent with. Voice notes show up as audio markers. On tiers with transcription, the transcribed text appears right next to each one. Open it in any PDF viewer. Apple's built-in preview works perfectly. Tap the search icon. Type any word, name, phone number, date. The PDF jumps you to it. Now you can do things you couldn't do with a chat trapped in WhatsApp. Email it as a PDF attachment. Save it to Dropbox, iCloud, OneDrive. Print it. Bind it. Back it up. Keep it forever, completely independent of WhatsApp, completely independent of whether you ever uninstall the app. On privacy, the zip goes to our server, the PDF generates, you download it, the file is removed shortly after. No training on your chats. No human review. Quick FAQ. Group chats. Works fine, senders shown by name. Really long chats. Yes, larger tiers handle thousands of messages. What if you already deleted the chat? You can't export what's gone, but you can convert any old export you have lying around. That's the iPhone WhatsApp export. Links in the description. Code VOICE25 for 25% off. Next in this series, the Android path, which is completely different. Cards on the screen. Subscribe for new tutorials every Tuesday and Friday.